All right, everybody. So this is going out to my fellow veterans here, namely the old salty boys that are about to ETS. Obviously, most of us have SGLI, right? And the option to continue coverage is given to you by the government in the form of what's called VGLI, so Veterans Group Life Insurance. This is available to reservists, National Guard, active duty, anybody who's served over 31 days active duty. VGLI has many limitations. So it is a great plan for people who have illnesses, sicknesses that are related to their service. But it is not such a great plan if you're healthy enough to get an individual plan through a private company. Kind of like what I do. This is what I do. I broker plans through private companies. There are many reasons why you may want to keep and just go ahead and convert SGLI to VGLI. Those including but not limited to the fact that you have these medical issues, you wouldn't be able to qualify for a standalone plan. If you are a smoker, oftentimes the rates on the open market for smokers are not comparable to the rates that you would get under VGLI because VGLI doesn't actually look at smoker rates. Everyone's rated the same. Now, the reason why you may not want to convert to VGLI is if you want a plan that's over the set limitation for SGLI, which is $400,000. So if you want insurance in excess of that, this is not going to be a great plan to do that because it can't do that. Also, if you want a plan that's going to stay level in price, again, not the plan for that because VGLI goes up every 5 years. It's what's called a 5-year renewable term. Now, what few people know is that if you are a VGLI recipient and you want some of the benefits of having an individual policy, there is a program that the government will allow you to take advantage of. There are 12 approved companies, I think it might be even 15 now, where you can actually convert your VGLI to a standalone private plan. So this would be a plan that's actually permanent. Now it's only going to allow permanent coverage. You can't convert it to a term policy, but this is a plan that will be there permanently. Of course, you have to pay for it, but there is that option there for you to get a permanent plan that doesn't change in price that accrues cash value. We can help you with that. There are a lot of things to consider heading into retirement. This doesn't just go for military, this goes for federal government as a whole. Not only are there life insurance options to consider, but then there's also pension options. And the two go hand in hand. You can actually use your pension options to maximize your life insurance options, especially if you're talking about trying to leave money for a spouse. These are things that not only affect me personally as a veteran, but also things that I obviously specialize in doing what I do here with Bay Life Brokerage. So if you have any questions, concerns, needs, I'd love to be a resource for you and point you in the right direction.